you know about the elimination?
Guess what, Soapy, you're out. You guys keep killing them so gruesomely. Just gonna recommend characters now. All you gotta do is put it in the comments. It is time for the contest. This is to make the best food.
Wait, no! I'm a master chef! Hey, Triangle, I say we cook this. Come on, Triangle. I know you want. Come on, Triangle, wake up. We're in a contest. Yeah, short circle.
Okay, finally finished the food.
Circle, by the dawn of this planet's beginnings, you are up for elimination. But that legend you need to learn how to do your stupid. But Bush, you're already eliminated. What are you doing here?
I hate some original content. I hate it so much. I hate it so much.
This tastes like
Paradise. Foxy, you are safe. Keep watching because there's gonna be an ending screen.
what has been happening to me lately. I feel so crazy. Ha ha ha!